Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Roshan and I welcome you all to my channel Tech with Roshan. In this video, I am going to walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to install Ubuntu Linux directly on your Windows PC using VirtualBox. I'm demonstrating this on Windows 11, but this process is identical for Windows 10 and even for Windows 7. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional Ubuntu system running in a virtual machine. We'll be using Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, the latest long-term support version, but these steps apply to any version. If you find this helpful, please support the channel by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon for more content like this. First, we need the Ubuntu installation file. Open the web browser and search for download Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. After searching it down, just hit enter. The top result should be from the official website ubuntu.com. Click on that, so you will land on that website. Just go down and here you will find the ISO file that we are gonna download for Ubuntu 22.04 desktop. So we are just gonna click on it and it will start downloading. I will also put a direct link in the video description to make this even easier for you. But as I have downloaded it earlier, so I am just closing it up. So this will take some time based on your internet connection. It could be downloaded earlier or it may be getting delayed. So while that's downloading, you just need a software that will run Ubuntu. So for that, we will just use Oracle VM VirtualBox. It's free and powerful, so just write down over here Oracle download Oracle VirtualBox. Just hit enter. So this is the main website where we are gonna download the Oracle VirtualBox. Just click on it and you will directed to the website. So this is the main website where we are gonna download the VirtualBox. So here you are just gonna click on Windows host, as this is the downloader installer for Windows. If you are using a Mac OS or Linux, you can choose among these. So I'm just clicking on Windows host as I've downloaded this earlier also. So I'm just pausing it up. I will also put a direct link for this VirtualBox in the description below so that you could access this too. So as everything is downloaded, we just need these two files. So once they are downloaded, save these files to an easy to find location, like your downloads folder, your desktop folder, your any local disk folder. Because this ISO file is essentially a DVD, a digital DVD, which will be used to install Ubuntu desktop. So we are just gonna get to our file explorer, as I've already downloaded Ubuntu ISO file and I've also downloaded the VirtualBox. So I'm just you could just run it over here, as I've the ISO file over in my D drive. So I'm just like letting it up to my local disk D. So here I have my two files. So now the downloading process is all completed from the internet. Now we will just run these installer. So double click on VirtualBox or run it as administrator. So I'm just we have reached to our Oracle VirtualBox Manager. So on this screen we will just click on this blue icon. It's known as new. So we'll just click here and this pop-up will open. Here we will just give the name to our virtual machine, and I'll name it as Ubuntu. You can give it a name as Ubuntu 22.04, Ubuntu 24 or something like that. And then we will just browse and upload ISO file over here. I will just check it out. I will go to others, and this is the ISO file Ubuntu 22.04 that I will be pasting over here. I will just click on open. So this is our ISO file. So nothing to do next, just click on next. So this is our login interface. Here we will just provide our login credentials, so you should pay attention. So here this is username. So let's suppose I'm giving it a username. You can keep it same or you can change it. I'm just changing it to Alex. So here's the password. The password should be easy to remember. No need to write down a complex password. So I'm just giving it a password. Okay, here I'm just confirming out. So here this is the host name. So it's giving me error, so I'm just keeping it Ubuntu. So here, and the most important thing is you should check up the box install guest edition. Don't leave it blank. So I'm just checking it up. So I'm just next, click next. So here now we will just specify our virtual hardware. So I am just providing it 11 GB of RAM, and I have only 2 CPUs. You can give it, but I have 2 CPUs and I'm just providing it one. So, and this is the disk size. It's not taking the space in your local disk. It's a virtual memory. So you will just assign I will just assign it 40. I'll just write it down. 1 second please. I'll just write it 40. So I'm just assigning this 40 GB, and again check all of your credentials or anything if it gets missing. So we have already done, nothing to change, everything is okay. So now I have allotted the base memory. It's according to but make sure that it should be in this range. You can allot your number of CPU according to your choice. 40 GB is enough for our OS. Then click next. This is the whole summary of our virtual machine. So just click on next, finish. So now our virtual machine is getting power up. So it may take time depending upon different machines and your internet connection. So as it is starting up, so just click on try and install Ubuntu, click enter. So next your virtual machine is getting ready up. It may take a time, so don't panic, just be patient. So this is our virtual machine. It's not completely installed, it's just showing the screen. The installation process is a little bit more, so we'll just wait. So this screen will start open. You can just click on this view button and click on full screen mode and switch it over here. So this is the full screen. So now it's now getting starting installing. Okay, so now this screen will open after installing those and removing those packages. So first of all we will write down our name. I'm just writing down my name, username, sorry, and now I'm just giving it my password. So password should be short. And so now our fully functional Ubuntu screen is in front of you. So now you can just manage your accounts. Just if you want to enable Ubuntu Pro, you can do this, or just skip this step now. Just click on next. Okay, no, click on no. So guys, this is Ubuntu operating system. I hope you liked the video. Get started with this new operating system. It will be a fun. So just use it and share your experience with me in the comment section. And I hope that everyone will have a good experience. So if you get any issue regarding this, I'm available there. Just comment me in the section. So this is all for today. Do subscribe my channel, like the video and share this video with your friends. And that's all. We'll meet again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.